We're here off Adam Keeling Road on Woodside Lane in the Great Neck area of Virginia Beach. This is Brock Cove. This connects you to the Lynnhaven River and the Chesapeake Bay. This cove is spectacular in that it captures the sunrise and sunset reflections. And being that this is not on a main boat thoroughfare, you are at one with nature. So you know me by now, I'm Holly Fisher with Berkshire Hathaway RW Towne Realty. This is my new listing at 1808 South Woodside Lane. It is spectacular. Let's check it out.